today I'm going to show you how to reassemble the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Now, you definitely want the core. If you don't have the core, then you can't put it back together. And that's the bad part about it, but let's get started. First, if you have to find a piece with white, and if you find it with green, great, because then you could just slide it in there like that, like a piece with green and white. But it's like not like this one. Okay, the next one will be red and white, and you'd slide that here, and then after that we got a white with an orange piece, and you just slide that right there. And then the last one is gonna be white with blue, and then that will make your white cross. Then you flip it over and you find a white, orange, and a next, step 2 is getting the first there. So you have to have a piece with white, orange, and blue. If you don't have that, then basically you can't put back your cube together, and you have to buy a new one. So you slide it in carefully like that, and it will just go in place. Okay, the next piece is white, orange, red, and it looks like a cube, a mini cube. It's a different piece, and it's cooler. And you put it in that little slot like that. Okay, we have 2 more. You need white, red, and green, and you just slide that in there. And basically, you probably got the hang of it now, so try to find white, green and orange, and just slide it in. Okay, and that's the second step. Okay, so step 3. Step 3 is going to be a little bit harder, but basically this is second row. So if it's like this and you're trying to fit it, you're just gonna have to flip it the other way like that, and just move it in like that, and then red and green. This one you don't have to flip over. You just have to have the color face to where it is, and then just slide it in. Okay, green and orange. Flip it over, and then do that. And then blue and orange. And then you just slide it in like that. And then you have 2 rows, and yeah. Fourth step, yellow cross. So first what you want to do is have a yellow and an orange, and you just pick this up and slide it under like that, so you can have one like that. And then yellow and green, and then do the same thing and slide it in there. Yellow and red, same thing, slide it in. And then yellow and blue. Then you want to get the corners in. Step corners. So you want to get the colors red, green, and yellow. And then, this is kind of harder, but you have to like push to get in there. Then you have that. Then you have yellow, orange, and blue. And then you just do the same thing. Yellow, red, and blue. Slide it in. And then last piece. Make sure to face the right colors. And then you'll have a twisted corner if you don't do the right thing. So follow me. Just place it in there like that. And then you have a Rubik's Cube.